Hello guys and welcome. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel today. Today I'll make a traditional pattern frame using a clay and Jumchi Hanji. Before you begin, prepare the clay pattern. I'll apply wood glue on the clay model and stick it on the cardboard. Leave the clay model in the sun to dry. If the clay is dry, I'll start working now. You can make a pretty Jumchi Hanji frame. I'll use orange and blue Jumchi Hanji. I'll glue on both sides of the orange Hanji. Put the glued Hanji on the clay model and rub it well. You need to push the air so that the pattern comes out clearly. I'll give you a tip. Wearing a disposable gloves can help you deflate more effectively. When I worked with my gloves on, the model was much sharper. This time, I'll tear off the Hanji on the border gradually. This time, I'll paste the blue Jumchi Hanji. Paste on both sides of Hanji. Cut it before you put glue. I should have cut the part where the clay should be visible, but I forgot. I'll cut it out quickly. I'm going to attach a blue Jumchi Hanji. Deflate it. Don't forget to attach Jumchi Hanji backward. Leave a comment when you have any questions. Please subscribe my channel and like it. If the Korean paper is dry, I'll prepare for bleaching. I'll bleach it beautifully. When bleaching, hold the bleaching towel tightly and rub it. The orange hanji is gradually turning yellow. Can you see it? If you bleach it 3 times, you'll get a pretty color. Thank you for being with me today. I'll see you with a better video next time. Bye!